Hello friends, welcome to Apex Career Classes. In this video we are going to discuss Jean Piaget, and in this video we shall discuss basic questions related to Jean Piaget and advanced questions will be discussed in the next video. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. So let's start. Our first question is, Jean Piaget was from? Jean Piaget was a Swiss psychologist. It means Jean Piaget was from Switzerland. So the correct option will be option C. Switzerland is the correct answer. Okay. Let's go to next question. Our next question is, who identified 4 distinctive stages of development? 4 distinctive stages of development were identified by Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget identified 4 distinctive stages, and the graph that represents these stages is like that I am drawing on the board. Like this. Here the first stage that is identified by Jean Piaget is sensory motor stage. The second stage is pre-operational stage. Third stage is concrete operational stage. And the fourth stage is formal operational stage. These are the 4 stages of development that are identified by Jean Piaget. That's why he is considered to be the father of child developmental psychology. Okay. So the correct option here will be Jean Piaget, and this graph is also important. Our next question is, what is the period of pre-operational stage? Pre-operational stage starts at 2 years and it ends when the child is 7 years old. Concrete operational stage goes from 7 to 11, and formal operational stage goes above 11. And sensory motor stage, it starts at birth and goes to 2 years. It means the period of sensory motor stage is from birth to 2 years. The period of pre-operational stage is from 2 to 7 years. The period of concrete operational stage is from 7 to 11 years. And the period of formal operational stage is above 11. Okay? And the period of each and every stage is very important for you. It is generally asked in various examinations that are related to teaching. Okay. So the correct option here will be pre-operational stage. It means the answer is 2 to 7 years. Next question is, what is the period of formal operational stage? As I have written here, formal operational stage starts after 11. It means correct option is option D. Next question is, what is the period of concrete operational stage? Concrete operational stage starts after 7. It means the right answer is 7 to 11. Okay. And the next question is, what is the period of sensory motor stage? Sensory motor stage starts from the birth of the child and it goes till 2 years. Okay. So the correct option is option A here, and such questions can be asked in any examination related to teaching. So let's go to next question. Which of the following is not a constructivist? and you have four options here. The first option is Piaget, second option is Brunner, third option is Vygotsky, and the fourth option is Adler. At first, it is better you know the meaning of constructivist, or you can say constructivism. Constructivists are the psychologists who strongly believes that children construct their own ideas about this world. It means children are active, they explore, experience, and then they learn. Just for this, Jean Piaget called little children little scientists. So you can say children have a scientific attitude and they are problem solver, because scientific attitude takes us to problem solving skills. Okay, children are problem solvers and scientific in nature. They explore, they are active, and they construct their own ideas about this world. This theory is known as constructivism, and the psychologists who are related to this theory are known as constructivists. And there are three constructivists. The first one is Piaget. Piaget is a constructivist. Second one is Vygotsky. And the third one is Brunner. These three psychologists believe that children construct their own ideas about this world. These are constructivists. Okay, so the correct option here will be Adler. Adler is not constructivist. Let's go to next question. Our next question is, in the constructivist frame, child is viewed as. If the question is regarding constructivism, then the answer will be related to activation, exploration, experiences, problem solving, or you can say scientific attitude towards solving a problem. So let's go to options. The first option is tabula rasa. It means blank slate. Tabula rasa or blank slate, whose life is shaped entirely by experience. The second option is a passive being who can be shaped and molded into any form through conditioning. Third option, a problem solver and a scientific investigator. Fourth option is miniature adult who is less than adults in all aspects such as size, cognition, emotions. Okay? So the correct option here will be option C, a problem solver and a scientific investigator, because constructivism is directly related to child being active, explore and experience, and they are little scientists according to Jean Piaget, and they have a problem solving attitude. So the correct option is option C here. Now let's go to next question. Our next question is, which of the following would not be consistent with a constructivist environment? This question is also related to constructivism. Let's go through options. Our first option is students work collaboratively and are given support to engage in task-oriented dialogue with each other. Second option is teacher elicit students' ideas and experiences in relationship to key topic and plans teaching, learning to elaborate or restructure their current knowledge. Third option is teacher employ specific end of the term assessment strategies and give feedback on products rather than processes. Fourth option is students are given frequent opportunities to engage in complex, meaningful, problem-based activities. Here, the correct option in which children are active, they have opportunities to explore or experiences and they are ready to solve problems. These options are most suitable to option D. Students are given frequent opportunities to engage in complex, meaningful, problem-solving activities. It means children are problem solvers. If you provide them opportunities, they will know how to solve a particular problem. Okay? Now next question is, according to Piaget children, let's go through options. First option is learn by observing others, knowing, following a process of observation learning. Second option is can be conditioned to behave in a particular way was by carefully controlled stimulus response associations. Third option is can be taught to behave and learn in a specific manner using principles of rewards and punishments. Fourth option is actively construct knowledge as they manipulate and explore the world. Jean Piaget is a constructivist, and according to him, children construct their own ideas, they construct their own knowledge about the world. Hence the answer will be option D. Okay? If you will talk about option A, learn by observing others, it goes to observation theory and it is given by Bandura. Second one is can be conditioned. This statement can be said of Pavlov or Skinner. Both of them have worked on conditioning. Pavlov's theory is known as classical conditioning theory and Skinner's theory is known as operant conditioning theory. Okay? And the third option belongs to rewards and punishment. It goes to behaviorist. So the correct option here will be option D. Now let's go to next question. The major proposition of Jean Piaget's theory is that you have four options. Option A, children's thinking is superior to adults. Option B, children's thinking is quantitatively different from adults. Third option is children's thinking is qualitatively different from adults. And fourth option is children's thinking is superior to adults. According to Jean Piaget, children think in the same amount as do the adults, but they think in a different way. They are more imaginative than the adults. That's why I call them scientists. It means same amount, but different in ways. It means if you will say children's thinking superior to adults or inferior to adults, these option will never be your answer. And option B is children's thinking is quantitatively. Here is quantity and quantity is same. And if you are saying children's thinking is quantitatively different from adults, this option will be wrong. Now third option is children's thinking is qualitatively different from adults. Here difference in ways of thinking. So the correct option here will be option C. Children think in the same amount as do the others, but they think in a different manner, in a different way. Okay? Our next question is, in a constructivist frame, learning is, you have four options here. Option A, passive and individualistic. This option is wrong because according to constructivism, children are active. Option B, the process of acquisition of knowledge. It is also wrong. Option C, a change in behavior as a result of experience. And the fourth one is active and social in its character. Option D is correct here. According to Jean Piaget, they are social, those are active, and according to Vygotsky, they learn through social interaction. That's why we can say learning is a social and active opportunity, or you can say active and social in its nature. So the correct option here will be D. But those who does not think of constructivism, they generally answer option C. That is wrong. Why do they answer like this? They answer this because learning means a constant change in behavior because of practice, training, or experience. But it is not according to constructivism. If you will talk about constructivism, then the correct option will be option D. Now let's go to next question. Which of the following statements cannot be attributed to Piaget's theory? First option is development occurs in qualitative stages. I have told you the graph that represent Piaget's stages is somewhat like this. It means development occurs in stages. This option is right. And the question is which cannot be attributed. It means we have to find out the incorrect option. Second option is children construct and use knowledge about their world. It is also correct because Jean Piaget was a constructivist, and constructivism means children construct their own ideas about the world. Third option is learning takes place through constant practice. This option is wrong. Fourth one is children act on their environment. It is also correct. So the correct option here will be option C. If you will say that they learn through making various attempts or through a lot of practice, then answer will be wrong. They learn through exploration, through experiences, not through practice. Okay? So here the correct option is option C. Now next question is, which of the following statements is correct about Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development? Here we have to find out the correct option. Which one of the following options is correct? And you have four options. Let's go through them. First one is Piaget argues that instead of progressing through stages, cognitive development is discontinuous. Second option is Piaget has proposed 5 distinctive stages of development. Third one is the stages are invariant, which means that no stage can be escaped. Fourth one is the sequence of the stages can vary according to the cultural context of children. Now let's understand. According to Jean Piaget, development occurs in stages and no stage can be escaped. It means option C is correct. And option B is Piaget has proposed 5 distinctive stages, but the here stages are only 4. It means B is wrong. And the first option is Piaget argues that instead of progressing through stages, cognitive development is discontinuous. Because development occurs in stages, that's why it is not continuous like this. It is discontinuous. It occurs in stages. Option A is also correct and option D is also correct. So the correct option here will be option heuristic cognitive development is discontinuous. Second one is wrong. Here something is lacking in this question. Actually, in this option is right and this one is wrong. This one is right and this one is wrong, and we are to find out the correct option. It is just a typing mistake and nothing else. Here the correct option is option A, and here the option must be that an stage can be skipped, and according to Piaget no stage can be skipped. This one is right, so it is just a typing mistake. Now let's go to next question. Our next question is, according to Jean Piaget, which of the following is necessary for learning? First one is belief in immanent justice. Second one is reinforcement by teachers and parents. Third one is active exploration of the environment by the learner. And the fourth one is observing the behavior of adults. Okay? As I have told you, according to Jean Piaget, children learn through the process of exploration. They are active learners. So the correct option here will be option C. Okay? We shall discuss some advanced question regarding Jean Piaget in the next video. Thank you very much.